We design and manufacture bespoke work holding solutions is the core of our business. Based across 2 sites in Tamworth, we work in aerospace, gas turbine, machine tools and automotive industries, all with fixturing solutions, lifting equipment, anything that's bespoke design. 3D printing is very new to us. First 2 machines installed at the beginning of this year. So the F170 and the Fortus 450 machine out on the shop floor. The main reason for the 2 different machines was again to expand that possibility of different materials that we can use. So on the smaller machine that's based in the office here, we can print the TPU material. So that gives an additional material beyond what the Fortus 450 can do with the carbon fibre. Over 17 different materials we can print between the 2 machines. SYS specifically, we saw those guys at the TCT show. We spoke to them about the machines, and then once we looked into them a bit further, a very professional outfit that we decided matched our level of business. SYS have been great in their support while we were looking at the different technologies, installing the machines. They were great, and the support since the machines have been up and running, they've helped us with all aspects of it. So yeah, definitely recommend those guys, yeah. Joining at such a high level gave us a multitude of possibilities with different materials and the different build size of the 2 machines. The materials now that we can print with these machines have meant that we can adopt the newer carbon fibre type material to replace metal parts in our production solutions. Anything our design team can model, then we can print on these machines. So it's given us opportunities to be more experimental with designs and parts that we can manufacture. With regard to our customer base, I mean, they're looking at us now for newer materials, different materials, beyond our conventional. We bought these machines for our use, for manufacturing parts, to put on our fixtures and our solutions, but we're quickly realising that we can offer the printing service as a separate entity to our core business. So we're hoping that these machines become too busy and we grow our capacity with these machines to offer 3D printed parts out to the market, to new customers and existing customers.